What's up, guys? I'm here with little Riri, for those of you that don't know. And we have a quick video today. We're going to be installing these. So we got the black line oil cap and rad cap. And then we have the IND start, M1 and M2 buttons. They are all in blue, as if you know and watch my late videos. We got the blue stitching, so blue is going to be my contrast color on this build. So we're going to jump into the install. Shouldn't be long, at least for the caps. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to get into the M1 and M2 button install first. Some people do it by prying out the button, but I've read that you shouldn't be doing it on the M cars, so I don't know. I'll be safe and do it the actual proper way. So first, you want to start off the trunk. We're going to unhook the battery because we're going to be working with the airbag. So we'll do that quickly with a 10 mil. Alright, so next we're going to come in the car. There's going to be two little holes right there on either side of your steering wheel. I'm using a little like torque screwdriver. So you're going to push it in there and the spring of the steering wheel where the airbag is will pop. Serenity, hold please. So you put this in there and you pry it open a bit and then it'll pop out. I'm just going to do the other side now and hopefully it goes smooth because I wasn't recording that side. So go on like a 45-degree angle. Riri made it easy. She found if you feel the spring, it like bounces off. See how it like bounces the screwdriver? So then you just push and like it pries it and then it comes right out. And then to unplug the airbag, I don't know if you can see in there if you want to just show it before I get in there. There's just the one plug clip there. So I'll get it off, probably off camera. Just because I can't get a good angle with my big hands. But you'll just pull it out after. So for those of you that have bigger hands like myself, I just use a quick screwdriver to pry it, and then that's it. I just pried the top there. Put this somewhere safe so it doesn't blow up on you. But that's why you have the battery disconnected. And yeah, we'll get into the next step. So the next step, you're gonna have to grab a T20 Torx, and you're gonna be taking out this one and this one, which will help you take off this little silver trim piece, which will help us get to here. So stand by. Alright, so I got those two little screws out, there and there, and over there. And then you want to get behind the steering wheel. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's that little hole there. It's a T20 as well. And when that's done, which is that little black screw there, then you can go ahead and pull this trim out. So yeah, as I was saying, you just got to pull it and unclip it. It's a little tough, but it'll come out eventually. And there you go. Next, we will put this in. Serena will put it in the back seat, I guess. Alright, so next step. Again, behind the wheel. This on either side is going to free up this whole piece, as clearly that was blocked by the other trim piece there. So we'll get to that now. Alright, so I went ahead and undid the bolts on the back there, and there she is. She's out. I don't know why I said to do that one, because you're not changing anything over here. So I don't know why I did that, but you don't have to do that one, just this one. Alright, so now that you're on the back of the little panel thingy, just gotta take out 1, 2, and 3. So we'll do that. Alright, so panel's off. So you're gonna be wanting to take off 1 and 2. Alright, little flathead. Actually, yeah, hopefully it works. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna hold it with my finger. Hopefully that'll help. They're tiny. Serena might have to do this. Oh, there we go. Are you recording? Can she see? There's one. I don't know what these little weight things are for, but they just kind of slide in there. Oh, it's probably to push the buttons after. And the second one, I'm going to flip this upside down actually. So just gotta pull it out, pull the other one, and there she goes. Easy. Cut. So, you got our buttons, bang, and hopefully it just slides right in there. Maybe a little clickaroo. There she goes. Clicks in. Bang. Do the other one. Make sure it's right side up. Slide it into the spot. Good. And push it through. Slowly and gently. There she is. Bang. Now we're gonna put it back together. Alright, she's back together. And there you go. The blue M1 and M2 button. Looking good. Works. Now we're gonna move on to start and stop. So mine actually came with a red one, but obviously we're gonna go blue. So we'll get into that now, and hopefully it's not too bad. So I went ahead and put a little bit of tape around so you don't scratch your dashboard. My pry tool, and all you have to do is pry this out, and we're good. Cerny's gonna hold it. Who knows if it goes smooth the first try? I doubt it. You never know. I'm gonna go from the top first. Actually, all right. So better hold on it, and there she comes. I think it just pulls out. There it comes. Pull it out. Oh, there's a little clip on the top, that's why. And that's it. It's out. So if you want to show the top of this Serenity, there's just a little clip there, so you gotta pull that down. It makes it a bit easier. And there you go. Alright, so next, there's these little clips that go all around. So you gotta take all of those off. I was working on it a little bit off camera, just so you can get a little head start. Just go around the edge and pry them open. You don't even need a flathead to do it, to be honest with you. That's it. Out comes the motherboard. So this can go back in here, but you don't gotta worry about this. You're gonna need 2 small flatheads, so you gotta get into here. Can you see that? On both sides. And there's 2 little clips you just gotta push out, and then in theory, the button will come out. That was just in theory though, so we'll see. One here, one there, and this left one might be a little too big, but we'll see. So yeah, after I got the last one out, the button just falls out, and there she is, the red button. So now we're gonna go grab the blue one and swap her in. Bye bye. Button's in. It's gonna move around until you put the back casing back on, which will be due now. I think this is the right way. Nope, that's upside down. Yeah, so this will be on the top, the plug. And you're just gonna have to find your way in there and hope for the best. That's it. Clips in. All the clips are in around. She's ready to get plugged back in. So we're gonna come over here. Can't really see that well, but I'm just gonna hope for the best. Push it in, and that's it. And then we're good to go back in. And just push it in. And there she is, installed, ready to go. Nice and blue, getting you all the angles. That was definitely a lot less time consuming than the M1 and M2 buttons, but I'd rather do it properly rather than trying to pry the stock ones out. So it worked out. It looks a lot better now that it's matching. You can't see that. There it is. Whee! There's a final look. Definitely looks better than the red, and then obviously the blue looks better. But yeah, so for the caps, make sure you stay tuned for the final result on that one. I'm gonna make it a separate video because I want to get the complete set, and then we'll put it all together in one. And that's about it. As always, guys, thank you for coming back to watch another video. We really appreciate your support, somewhat, kind of. And yeah, make sure to subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.